What's up guys, this is Mr. Royal here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your YouTube's channel art using an Android phone. Basically Android phones haven't provided any specific and appropriate method to change your YouTube's channel art, and definitely it's a must to do thing for all YouTubers to make their channel as persuasive and attractive as possible to gain more and more audience. So I'll just start by tapping the Instagram. Okay, one thing you guys need to keep in mind is that as being a YouTuber, it's a must to do thing to be available on most of the social platforms as possible, as it contributes to your YouTube. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have already added the YouTube channel link right here. It also is a plus point for your YouTube, so I'll just tap it right here. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, just right there, as you guys can see in the background, the channel art is actually a preset provided from YouTube. Now the thing is, how am I going to change it? Okay, as you guys can see the three dots right here in the top right, I'll just tap it, and the desktop option, I'm gonna tap it again. Okay, now as you guys can see it right here, this interface actually is the one that we see on our PC. I'll just zoom it right here to the top right, tap on the channel art right here. As you guys can see, the edit channel art as seen. Zooming out. Okay, now you can see the drag a photo here or select a photo from your computer. I'll just select one from here. Okay, it's uploading. This is actually quite an easy and simple technique and quite time saving, if I must say. And you guys can do it from anywhere you want to do it. Okay, right here the preview is, it's fine on the desktop, on TV, and the phone is like okay, it's quite tight, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, I'll just save this right here. Okay, it's saving. Okay, it's just saved, and okay, just as beautiful as it has to be, as you guys can see right here. So I hope you guys like the video. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to tap the bell button, and do share the video. Peace.